Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarum Kusumawardani. I am an English education student at University of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka. Today, I'd like to share my understanding about the ontology and epistemology of qualitative research. Qualitative research is a research method that conducted to explain and analyze phenomena, events, social dynamics, beliefs, perceptions of a person or group of something. Qualitative research tends to focus a lot on pragmatism and constructivism because as qualitative researchers, social reality is a construct. If men define situation as real, they are real in their consequences, which is very pragmatism view of social reality. Qualitative belief that we study about how people create reality. Qualitative research focuses on generating meaning and understanding through rich description. Qualitative focuses on the quality of experience, trying to describe or understand the essence or nature of human experience. Qualitative research strives to produce meaningful interpretation of events and phenomena in a particular setting or context. Methodology is how knowledge is discovered and analyzed in a systematic way. Methodology refers to philosophies that guide how data gathered. Methodology can be divided on the ontological and epistemological beliefs that led to them. Ontology claims and assumptions that are made about the nature of social reality. The ontology of social research is a belief on multiple realities. Ontology refers to what sort of things in the social world and assumptions about the form and nature of that social reality. Ontology of researchers not only look or describe the biggest view but also look or describe the smaller thing from it. It is concerned with whether social reality exists independently of human understanding and interpretation. Constructivism involves the belief that knowledge is socially constructed. As a qualitative researcher, social reality is a construction. We build reality. So, researchers quite often play an active role in constructing the reality under study. We also participate in the construction by looking at the material, having a certain focus, using a certain methodology, and partly we construct the data that we are studying. Two types of ontology, realism and relativism. Realism, one truth exists, it doesn't change, objective measurements, and generalizable. Relativism, multiple realities exist, shaped by context, truth involves and changes, may use in similar contexts. Type of ontology for qualitative research are relativism. Epistemology. Epistemology is the process of how humans understand reality or truth. Epistemology is what relationship the researcher has with the research. Epistemology is the study of how do we access knowledge. Epistemology is concerned with the nature of knowledge and way of knowing and learning about social reality. How to understand reality, how do we get knowledge, how do we discover new things. How can we understand the reality, or can we understand reality, or do we need to measure reality? How do we gain knowledge? It is positivism view and interpretivism view. How can we get to know what happened? First, find a decent explanation. Second, need empirical evidence. Third, think carefully. Fourth, feel empathy to understand. Fifth, We don't try to find out what happened or how it happened, but why it happened. And the last, we need to know how people interpret it. There are two main perspectives for knowing, positivism and interpretivism. Positivism epistemology is an application of nature science methods to social science research. The elements of positivism epistemology are empirical knowledge via the senses. It means everything about knowledge should be observable and measurable. Deductive theory testing. It means that we are testing theories. Inductivist theory building is focuses on theory building. Objective value-free researcher. As a researcher, we do not post our subjective view of the world. Scientific versus normative statement. As a scientist, we conduct scientific statement rather than normative statement. Interpretivist epistemology. The elements of interpretivist epistemology are the meaning of social action and the researcher's perspective, subjective reality. Dimension to gain knowledge, objective, subjective. Looking at the field objectively and subjectively. First-hand explanation, trying to get into the meaning people attach to different action. Verifications, falsification, create and test the theory. Empirical rational, focus on the sense and on observing empirically, then make a theory of it. Epistemology approach. Reality, truth, knowledge can be measurable. It means measurable. Reality, truth, or knowledge must be interpreted. Reality or truth or knowledge is defined as the tool that best results from negotiation and interpretation. How can we get knowledge? We can get knowledge by proving guilt, try to prove innocence, measure, observe, or look directly in the field the problem. Think very carefully, sit and ponder. Are there any other possibilities of the main problem? Looking for a problem that is almost the same in various journals. The relationship between ontology and epistemology. The relationship between ontology and epistemology will produce a paradigm or point of view. From this paradigm, it will get researchers in research design and what methods should be used for data retrieval. Ontology determines the epistemology that determines the methodology that determines what methods are used for data collection. The relationship between ontology and epistemology will produce a perspective or paradigm of what and how reality occurs, and it is from this paradigm that produces research method. That's all my understanding about the ontology and epistemology of qualitative research. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.